Hello, welcome back. So, today let's draw something yum yum. Who loves an ice cream? Actually, who doesn't love an ice cream? Nobody, right? Now, I can't get you an ice cream, but I will tell you how to draw it. So, grab your pencil, sketches, eraser and everything and let's start together. First, let's start with bowl. For that, draw a wavy line. Draw it slowly. Now let's draw the base of the bowl. I feel like I'm drawing a sausage, isn't it? It is looking like a sausage. So now it's time to draw ice cream. So now I'm going to draw 3 scoops of ice cream, and also let's add some toppings. After completing this, let's draw cherries on the top of the scoops. After drawing the cherries, let's draw eyes and mouth to the ice cream scoops using different expressions. After completing the drawing, use a black marker or a black sketch to draw the outline. After drawing the outline, let's erase it completely without leaving the traces of pencil. And now let's color our cute yummy sundae ice cream. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.